If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell icon to get the latest updates.
Question: which of the following statements regarding the free goods process is correct? Option 1: free goods with an exclusive bonus quantity must contain the same material for both the ordered goods and the free goods. Option 2: free goods with an inclusive bonus quantity will always be generated without a sub-item. Option 3: the free goods calculation rule only allows for whole unit free goods bonus increments. Option 4: free goods with an exclusive bonus quantity will always be generated with a sub-item. Question: your sales representative wants to enter a discount that should only be entered manually in the pricing screen of a sales order. How do you implement this business requirement? Choose 2. Option 1: define a new condition type without an access sequence. Option 2: define a new condition type and mark it as a group condition. Option 3: assign an access sequence to the condition type. Option 4: mark the condition type within the pricing procedure as a manual condition. Question: which of the following elements can directly influence whether an availability check will be performed? Choose 2. Option 1: the schedule line category in the sales document. Option 2: the delivery type. Option 3: the check group in the material master. Option 4: the item category in the sales document. Question: what can you do if you configure only the account group when you define account groups and field selections for customers? Option 1: you can hide fields in the customer master. Option 2: you can create and add new fields to the customer master. Option 3: you can determine the account determination procedure. Option 4: you can define 2 number ranges per account group. Question: you are using customer hierarchies. Discount high 01 should be based on the values maintained on the different nodes of a customer hierarchy. Which option allows you to integrate this discount into your pricing strategy? Option 1: implement a pricing procedure that contains condition type high 01 several times according to the number of levels of your customer hierarchy. Option 2: assign an access sequence, consisting of multiple accesses using the same condition table, to condition type high 01. Option 3: set condition type high 01 as a structure condition and maintain records based on this condition for the different hierarchy nodes. Option 4: set the hierarchy flag within the condition record of high 01 for the main node. Question: you have set up condition type K029 as a gross weight calculated discount based on the material group. You now want to implement this for ordered materials belonging to the same material group. The system should accumulate the gross weight of the items to determine the scale rate. For the required weight accumulation, which of the following must you use for condition type K029? Option 1: group condition. Option 2: condition supplements. Option 3: scale basis. Option 4: scale formula. Question: which of the following is controlled by the configuration of the billing type? Option 1: how account determination takes place. Option 2: whether order-related billing is supported when using this billing type. Option 3: whether a billing plan is determined when using this billing type. Option 4: how the item category within the billing document is determined. Question: which of the following statements regarding the material master data are correct? Choose 2. Option 1. The behavior of a sales order item depends on the assigned item category group of the material master. Option 2. If a delivering plant is defined in the sales data of the material master, this plant is transferred to a corresponding sales document item and can no longer be changed. Option 3. The following information in a sales order is derived from the material master, material group, weight, and item category. Option 4. The sales views of the material master data can be maintained for various combinations of sales organization and distribution channel. Question: if the material entered in the sales order is not available, how is the user alerted to this situation? Option 1. The availability control screen is displayed. Option 2. The system automatically sets the order quantity to 0. Option 3. The incompletion log displays the unconfirmed schedule line as a missing field. Option 4. The system highlights the schedule line. Question: according to the system, there is no stock available, however, you still receive a confirmed schedule line in the sales order. What is the reason for this confirmation? Option 1. Inventory management creates a stock transfer when the sales order is saved. Option 2. The availability check was carried out, and on saving, the system immediately rescheduled the sales order according to the customer priority. Option 3. The availability check that was carried out included a replenishment lead time in the scope of check. Option 4. The system automatically searches other plants for inventory and transfers this inventory to the plant with 0 inventory in the sales order. Question: where do you assign a contract profile? Option 1. Customer master. Option 2. Item category. Option 3. Sales document type. Option 4. Billing document type. Question: which field is different between a delivery free of charge, FD, and a subsequent delivery free of charge, SDF? Option 1. Pricing. Option 2. Reference mandatory. Option 3. Billing mandatory. Option 4. Order reason. Question: what are characteristics of the cash sales process? 2 answers. Option 1. The posting in financial accounting is made to accounts receivable. Option 2. The billing document generates an invoice output. Option 3. The cash sales item category is set to order-related billing. Option 4. The sales document generates an invoice output. Question: where can you set the delivery relevance? 2 answers. Option 1. Item category. Option 2. Sales document type. Option 3. Ship to party. Option 4. Schedule line category. Question: which procedure can you assign to a schedule line category? Option 1. Incompletion procedure. Option 2. Pricing procedure. Option 3. Partner determination procedure. Option 4. Material determination procedure. Question, where can taxes be calculated for a sales order? 3 answers, Book 3, page 196. Option 1 in finance. Option 2 in profitability analysis. Option 3 in sales and distribution externally. Option 4 in controlling. Question, what is a transaction variant used for? 2 answers. Option 1 to hide screens. Option 2 to control the field length. Option 3 to add fields. Option 4 to enter default values in fields. Question, which activities can you carry out within the list of sales orders, transaction VA05, standard report? Option 1 2 correct answers. Option 2 calculate the sum of values. Option 3 release the customer expected prices. Option 4 initiate a pricing update. Option 5 execute back order processing. Question, how can you automatically update an existing price? Option 1 set the pricing type in the item category in the billing documents. Option 2 reopen existing order. Option 3 use the billing due list. Option 4 set the pricing type in the copy control of the billing documents. Question, which partner function determines the shipping conditions in a sales order? Option 1 sold to party. Option 2 ship to party. Option 3 payer. Option 4 bill to party. Question, what kind of billing plan is used to set up down payments for a sales process? Option 1 periodic billing. Option 2 installment plan. Option 3 payment plan. Option 4 milestone billing. Question, in a sales order, which parameter can be used for the route determination? Option 1 the departure zone of the plant. Option 2 the loading group assigned to the material. Option 3 the shipping condition of the sold to party. Option 4 the Incoterms of the ship to party. Question, your company has 2 valid condition types for freight. You need to ensure that only the best condition type for freight is charged at any time. What do you have to set up to fulfill this requirement? Option 1 condition updates on both condition types. Option 2 group condition with varying keys. Option 3 exclusion indicator on both condition types. Option 4 exclusion group for both condition types. Question, you want to ensure that an incomplete document cannot be saved. How can you achieve this? Book 2, Page 56. Option 1. Activate the incompleteness dialog for the sales document type. Option 2. Assign a status group to the fields that should be checked for completeness. Option 3. Assign an incompleteness procedure to the respective item categories. Option 4. Select the warning indicator for the fields in the incompleteness procedure. Question: what is maintained in a pricing procedure? 2 correct answers. Option 1. Access sequence. Option 2. Step. Option 3. Condition type. Option 4. Condition table. Question: you want to use the material determination in sales orders to replace entered materials if they are not available. How can you achieve this? Option 1. Deactivate the availability check in the material master and use the material determination instead. Option 2. Choose a substitution reason with the automatic substitution strategy for the material determination. Option 3. Adjust the access sequence of the material determination to check the available quantities of the materials. Option 4. Deactivate the ATP check in the schedule line and activate it in the material determination record. Question: which properties does the condition type in the condition master record control? 2 correct answers. Option 1. Pricing procedure. Option 2. Validity period. Option 3. Access sequence. Option 4. Scales. Question: where is the pricing of a bill of material item controlled? Option 1. Item category group. Option 2. Higher level item. Option 3. Item type. Option 4. Item category. Question: which parameters control the availability check? 2 correct answers. Option 1. Loading group. Option 2. Scheduling category. Option 3. Checking group. Option 4. Transportation group. Question: what are the properties of an item category in a general value contract? 2 answers. Option 1. The item category determines the message about open outline agreements. Option 2. The item category determines the value contract material. Option 3. The item category determines whether the value contract is copied to the release order. Option 4. The item category is determined via item usage VCTR. Question: what is the characteristic of an access sequence? Option 1. It represents the properties of the pricing conditions. Option 2. It contains the hierarchy of the condition tables search. Option 3. It contains the steps showing how the condition types are linked. Option 4. It defines the key fields of the condition records. Question: what does the billing type control? 2 correct answers. Option 1. Billing date determination. Option 2. Billing relevance. Option 3. Account determination. Option 4. Number range. Question: What does the structure of Lean WM consist of? 2 answers. Option 1 storage type. Option 2 storage bin type. Option 3 warehouse number. Option 4 picking area. Question: your customer wants to ensure that any subsequent text changes in a source document are automatically transferred to the subsequent document. Which option in standard sales and distribution is available to fulfill this requirement? Option 1 transfer routine. Option 2 requirement routine. Option 3 referencing text. Option 4 copying text. Question: which packing option can be configured for a delivery item category? Option 1 generate packing material item. Option 2 packing control. Option 3 automatic packing. Option 4 packing instructions. Question: which control settings are required for a bill of material scenario? 2 answers. Option 1 set the sales document type to check the item division. Option 2 set the structure scope in the main item category. Option 3 set the schedule line check for product allocation. Option 4 determine if items should be delivered as a group. Question: you manually change the item category of a quotation item and create a subsequent sales order. You do not want the item category in the sales order to be determined automatically. How can you achieve this? Option 1 enter an alternative item category in the sales order type. Option 2 define an item category usage for the item category determination. Option 3 maintain a default item category in the copy control. Option 4 choose reference mandatory in the quotation type. Question: you save a billing document for an invoice. What happens? 2 answers. Option 1 the document flow is updated. Option 2 the accounting document is given the status cleared. Option 3 the goods issue is posted. Option 4 the account receivable is posted. Question: where do you maintain indicators to activate the rebate processing? 3 correct answers. Option 1 billing document type. Option 2 sales organization. Option 3 sales document type. Option 4 payer master record. Option 5 sold to party master record. Question: what are the standard timing options to issue outputs? 2 correct answers. Option 1 send immediately when saving the application. Option 2 send with timing based on material master data. Option 3 send based on time specified in the sales document. Option 4 send with job based on additional time specification. Question: which elements determine a shipping point automatically? 3 answers. Option 1 transportation group. Option 2 delivering plant. Option 3 loading group. Option 4 shipping condition. Option 5 storage condition. Question: what does the schedule line configuration control? 3 answers. Option 1 availability check. Option 2 delivery group. Option 3 movement type. Option 4 returns. Option 5 transfer of requirements. Question: what are the characteristics of the make-to-order process with assembly processing? 2 answers. Option 1 the production order is directly created from the sales order. Option 2 the sales order directly initiates the posting of the goods issue. Option 3 the sales order requires a phantom item for the transfer of requirement. Option 4 the material is stored in a sales order specific stock. Question: what are the characteristics of a shipping point? 3 answers. Option 1 loading group is used for the shipping point determination. Shipping points are assigned to plants. Option 2 shipping points are used to create transfer orders. Option 3 shipping points are required for delivery processing. Option 4 shipping points are assigned to a storage location. Question: from which of the following master records does the system determine the delivering plant? 3 correct answers. Option 1 material master record. Option 2 customer master of the sold to party. Option 3 customer material information record. Option 4 condition master record. Option 5 customer master of the ship to party. Question: your customer wants you to ship as much material as possible on a requested date and does not want any subsequent deliveries. What do you set to achieve this requirement? Option 1 the one delivery with quantity greater than 0 has to be created indicator. Option 2 the complete delivery indicator in the sales order header. Option 3 the only complete delivery, per item, allowed indicator. Option 4 the no limit to subsequent deliveries indicator. Question: what do you need to configure for a quantity contract? Option 1 set up a default delivery type in the sales document type of the quantity contract. Option 2 define and assign an item category with the quantity contract material. Option 3 set a reference from the release order to the quantity contract. Option 4 define and assign schedule line categories for the quantity contract. Question: at which organizational level can the material master be maintained for the sales org data 1 and sales org 2? Option 1 sales organization and distribution channel. Option 2 sales organization, distribution channel, and division. Option 3 sales organization and plant. Option 4 sales organization. Question: what are standard split criteria for an invoice? 2 answers. Option 1 material group. Option 2 ship to party. Option 3 assignment number. Option 4 billing date. Question: what are requirements for customer consignment processing? 2 answers. Option 1 the consignment return requires a transfer order for picking. Option 2, the consignment pickup requires a goods receipt. Option 3, the consignment fill-up requires a billing document. Option 4, the consignment issue requires a delivery document. Question: you want to extend the material master record to another sales organization and distribution channel. Which activity do you have to perform to achieve this? Option 1, create material. Option 2, change material type. Option 3, change material. Option 4, create material type. Question: what are standard sales and distribution text sources? 3 answers. Option 1, customer master. Option 2, output master. Option 3, condition master. Option 4, preceding document. Option 5, material master. Question: what does the account group control when you create a new customer master record? 3 correct answers. Option 1, tax determination procedure. Option 2, currency type. Option 3, number range. Option 4, partner determination procedure. Option 5, hidden fields. Question: what is the purpose of the lean WM in the SD order to cash process? Option 1, to define the replenishment strategy. Option 2, to define the removal strategy for deliveries. Option 3, to create the transfer orders for picking. Option 4, to manage the inventory at storage bin level. Question: you want to make sure that a credit memo request is not processed further until a secondary check is performed and the request is approved. What do you do? Option 1, set up the posting block at the billing type. Option 2, set up a payment guarantee procedure for the billing type. Option 3, set up a billing block and assign it to the sales order type. Option 4, set up the sales order type as reference mandatory. Question: which of the following settings apply to inquiries and quotes? 2 answers. Option 1, order reason required. Option 2, billing relevant. Option 3, schedule line allowed. Option 4, pricing relevant. Question: which organizational elements are mandatory for the order to cash process? 2 answers. Option 1, company code. Option 2, plant. Option 3, warehouse number. Option 4, business area. Question: what is maintained in a free goods master record? 2 answers. Option 1, the minimum quantity. Option 2, the calculation rule. Option 3, the item category usage. Option 4, the maximum quantity. Question: What can you identify in the customer material information record? 3 correct answers. Option 1, a specific delivering plant. Option 2, a specific delivery agreement. Option 3, the customer specific price. Option 4, the customer material number. Option 5, a specific route schedule. Question: in which areas can you use the condition technique? 3 correct answers. Option 1, copy control. Option 2, material determination. Option 3, partner determination. Option 4, listing control. Option 5, output control. Question: which time elements are included in backward scheduling for a sales order? 2 answers. Option 1, loading time. Option 2, transit time. Option 3, shipping processing time. Option 4, planned delivery time. Question: you want to be able to maintain a new partner function in the customer master record and have it copied as a proposal to the sales order. How do you achieve this? 2 answers. Option 1, ensure that the customer master is the source for the new partner function in the sales order. Option 2, mark the new partner function as relevant for sales documents and customer master records. Option 3, include the new partner function in the relevant copy control from the customer master data to sales documents. Option 4, include the new partner function in the partner determination procedure of the relevant account group. Question: which indicator can be used in automatic backorder processing to distribute the available stock quantity to the selected sales orders? Option 1, customer group. Option 2, delivery priority. Option 3, shipping condition. Option 4, ABC class. Question: what are the optional steps in sales and distribution process for selling a material from stock using a sales order? 3 correct answers. Option 1, post goods issue. Option 2, define packing. Option 3, create transfer order. Option 4, create shipping document. Option 5, create billing document. Question: for which condition types can you maintain a condition master record for pricing? 2 answers. Option 1, cash discount, SCTA. Option 2, freight, KF00. Option 3, costs, VPRS. Option 4, surcharges, KP01. Question: which activity can be completed within a shipping process? 3 answers. Option 1, confirmation of transfer order. Option 2, goods issue posting. Option 3 packing. Option 4 execution of transfer posting. Option 5 scrapping. Question: your company wants to have the same master data for all customer regardless of the distribution channel and the division. Which functionality do you use? Option 1 Common Master Data. Option 2 Customer Account Group. Option 3 Representative Sales Organization. Option 4 Cross-Division Sales. Question: which technique can be used to replace a block of SAP source code with customer source code? Option 1 User Exit. Option 2 Business Add-in. Option 3 Customer Exit. Option 4 Enhancement Section. Question: your company wants to sell, deliver, and invoice a stocked material? What setting do you select for the item category to meet this requirement? 3 correct answers. Option 1 Item relevant for delivery. Option 2 Relevant for cost determination. Option 3 Pricing relevant. Option 4 Billing relevant. Option 5 Schedule line allowed. Question: for which logistics execution activity can you use output type UMTA to execute automatic processing? Option 1 Create delivery. Option 2 Create transfer order. Option 3 Execute loading. Option 4 Post goods issue. Question: your company wants to set up freight surcharge with scale based on a total weight of all items in a sales order? How do you set up this requirement? Option 1 as a header condition. Option 2 as a group condition. Option 3 with a calculation rule. Option 4 with a graduated to interval scale. Question: what is used to determine a pricing procedure? 3 answers. Option 1 Item category. Option 2 Sales document type. Option 3 Sales area. Option 4 Ship to party. Option 5 Sold to party. Question: which of the following settings can you configure in the sales document type? 3 answers. Option 1 Default billing type. Option 2 Immediate delivery. Option 3 Delivery relevance. Option 4 Schedule lines allowed. Option 5 Mandatory reference. Question: which of the following combinations is valid for the plant assignment in sales and distribution? Option 1 Sales organization and distribution channel. Option 2 Sales organization and loading group. Option 3 Sales organization and shipping point. Option 4 Sales organization and division. Question: which organizational unit represents the geographical aspect of the organization in sales and distribution? Option 1 Distribution Channel. Option 2 Sales District. Option 3 Sales Group. Option 4 Sales Office. Question: what must be set up to establish the interface between sales and distribution and financial accounting? Option 1 Copy control for accounting. Option 2 Data transfer routine. Option 3 General billing interface. Option 4 Account determination. Question: you want to combine items from different sales orders into one delivery document. Which common characteristics are required? 2 answers. Option 1 Payment terms. Option 2 Ship to party. Option 3 Order type. Option 4 Shipping point. Question: what are the characteristics of text determination? 2 correct answers. Option 1 The access step in the access sequence has a text source. Option 2 The text type in the procedure can be set as mandatory. Option 3 Text determination uses condition records. Option 4 Pricing condition record texts can be used as a standard text. Question: which elements contribute to the available quantity during an available to promise (ATP) check for a sales order item? 3 correct answers. Option 1 Transfer orders. Option 2 Sales documents. Option 3 Shipment documents. Option 4 Stocks. Option 5 Purchase orders. Question: what are the sources of the time components that are used for the delivery and transportation scheduling? 2 answers. Option 1 Plant. Option 2 Shipping point. Option 3 Route. Option 4 Loading group. Question: a header partner function is to be used and changed on the item level. What setting do you have to make to achieve this? Option 1 Mark the partner function as unique in the partner determination procedure of the sales document. Option 2 Select the copy partner functions parameter in the customizing settings for an item category. Option 3 Maintain the sales document header as the relevant source for the partner function. Option 4 Include the partner function in the partner determination procedure of the item category. Question: your customer requires billing to run for all invoices on the last day of the month. How do you set up this requirement? Option 1 Set up a factory calendar and assign it to the customer master record of the payer. Option 2 Set up a factory calendar for the bill to party and assign it to the general billing interface. Option 3 Set up a job for background processing for this payer at the end of each month. Option 4 Set up a periodic billing plan for this bill to party and assign it to the customer master record. Question: which of the following sequences describe a part of a sales process? 2 correct answers. Option 1 Delivery post goods issue invoice cancellation. Option 2 Invoice correction request post goods issue invoice. Option 3 Quotation transfer order post goods issue invoice. Option 4 cash sales delivery post goods issue invoice post financial accounting. Question: what do you have to set in a valid condition record to block its use in a sales order? Option 1 validity date. Option 2 release status. Option 3 calculation type. Option 4 scale basis type. Question: which controls are available in the delivery item category? 3 correct answers. Option 1 delivery relevant. Option 2 determine storage location. Option 3 availability check off. Option 4 picking relevant. Option 5 billing relevant.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also feel free to ask your questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to them at the earliest.